Good afternoon, students. Myself, Professor Lipti Gaurav. Our subject is management. Subject code is 22509. Firstly, we start the introduction of syllabus. First unit is introduction to management concept and managerial skills. Second unit is planning and organizing at supervisory level. Third unit is directing and controlling at supervisory level, and fourth unit is safety management, and fifth is legislative acts. So we discuss the first unit topics: definition of management, role and importance of management, management characteristics and principles, level of management and their functions, management administration and organization, relation between management and administration, functions of management, that is planning, organizing, leading or directing, staffing and controlling, types of planning and steps in planning, types of organization, steps in organization, functional areas of management, managerial skills. This is the topics included in the first unit, which is introduction to the management concept and managerial skills. So start with first unit, management. First, we have to study the organization. Two or more people who work together in a structured way to achieve a specific goal or set of goals. After that, goals, purpose that an organization strives to achieve. Organizations often have more than one goals. Goals are fundamental elements of organization. Thirdly, the role of management to guide the organizations towards goal accomplishment. Manager, the role of manager, people responsible for directing the efforts aimed at helping organizations achieve their goals. A person who plans, organizes, directs, and controls the allocation of human material, financial, and information resources in pursuit of the organization's goals. After that, management. Management refers to the tasks and activities involved in directing an organization or one of its units, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. The process of reaching organizational goals by working with and through people and other organizational resources. Next is levels of management. First line managers. First line managers have direct responsibility for producing goods or services, that is foreman, supervisors, clerical supervisors. Middle managers are coordinate employee activities, determine which goods or services to provide, decide how to market goods or services to customers. The example of middle level management are assistant manager, manager, section head, that is section head. Top managers are provide the overall direction of an organization, that is chief executive officer, president, vice president. They are included in top managers. After that, management levels and skills. The management level is from top to bottom: top management, middle management, and supervisory or operational management. Top management needs are conceptually skills, middle level management needs are human skills, and supervisory or operational management needs are technical skills. After that, top managers responsible for providing the overall direction of an organization, develop goals and strategies for entire organization, spend most of their time planning and leading, communicate with key stakeholders, unions, governmental agencies, etc. Company policies. Example is company policies. Use of multicultural and strategical action. Competencies to lead firm is crucial. So, middle manager responsible for setting objectives that are consistent with top management's goals and translating them into specific goals and plans for first line managers to implement. responsible for coordinating activities of first line managers, establish target dates for products services to be delivered, need to coordinate with others for resources, ability to develop others is important, rely on communication, teamwork and planning and administration competencies to achieve goals. First line managers, their responsibilities are directly responsible for production of goods or services. Employees who report to first line managers do the organization's work, spend little time with top managers in large organizations. Technical experts is important, rely on planning and administration, self management, teamwork and communication competencies to get work done. For the first lecture, uh, classification of management functions. Management functions are classified into two categories: managerial functions, operative functions. Management functions, managerial functions. In managerial functions, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling includes, and operational function includes production, marketing, purchasing, financing and personnel. So for the first lecture, we have to stop here.